We teach you to build sustainable, safe channels. You know the rules and you follow them, but even the best creator can't predict when an automated system might flag a video by mistake. That uncertainty ends today. YouTube is rolling out pre-published checks for community guidelines. It serves as a sanity check to see if the bot flags your content before you put your channel at risk. Let's have a look at the workflow. Until now, the checks tab only covered copyright and ad suitability. With a new update, the system scans your video for community guideline flags, like harmful content or metadata issues, before it goes public. If the bot flags a false positive, you can see it immediately, you can fix a title or edit a scene before it even triggers a strike on your channel. It's the pre-flight check we have needed for years to protect against automated errors. While safety is key, YouTube is also ramping up its creative tools. Let's talk about the new engine under the hood for Shorts. YouTube is upgrading its generative video capabilities on mobile by integrating Google DeepMind's Veo 3 model. If you thought the dream screen green screens were a gimmick, look again. We are moving from 6 seconds to 8 seconds of continuous video generation. Veo 3 generates video that actually has synchronized audio. We are talking about sound effects and speech that match the movement, not just a silent GIF. Plus, you don't need a background anymore. You can prompt Cyberpunk City and Rain and get a standalone clip to use as B-roll. Speaking of Shorts, YouTube's blurring the lines between formats again. A new test rolling out to 5% of channels brings image posts from the community tab directly into the Shorts feed. Users can now swipe through carousels with up to 10 images in the vertical feed. There's no support for GIFs or music yet, and YouTube says these will be targeted at viewers with high interest in your channel. For folks who are constantly underusing the community posts, myself, this is a wake-up call and yeah, get back at it. Now an update on a topic I've been testing, multi-aspect streaming. It is officially launching to 20% of creators, even though Creator Insider said otherwise earlier this month, and it's called Stream Across Formats. I've been testing this for a week and here's the hard data. For the first few streams I got zero traffic from the Shorts feed and then suddenly yesterday it kicked in to 35%. Sounds great, right? High volume? Not so fast. The quality of that traffic was rather shocking. While my standard horizontal viewers had an average view duration of 24 minutes, the Shorts feed viewers stayed for 15 seconds. It brings eyeballs, but currently it brings, well, zero retention. Combine that with the auto crop that cuts off your overlays and you have to ask yourself, is it worth polluting your analytics with 50-second viewers? On the positive side, it does offer a unified chat experience. This means you don't have to monitor two separate chat rooms, one chat, two formats. But until we get double ingestion to fix the framing and better targeting for retention, this is a feature I'm treating with extreme caution. Let's move on to workflow efficiency. Launching to 100% of creators in the RFA standard tier, AI-enhanced comment reply suggestions. YouTube claims these aren't just canned responses, but the AI analyzes your channel and suggests editable replies in your own style and tone. Whether you trust an AI to speak to your loyal fans in your voice is up to you, but it's there if you need to clear the inbox fast. Speaking of rules and access, the channel guidelines are expanding to creators with responsible feature access, or RFA for short. A quick reality check here. RFA is YouTube's internal trust score. It is separate from the standard advanced features you unlock with an ID. Even if you have verified your identity, you still might lack access to things like chapters or these new guidelines if your channel history doesn't meet their specific hidden RFA criteria. It is frustratingly opaque, but that is just how they are gating these powerful tools. Last but not least, an interesting experiment for viewers called Your Custom Feed. YouTube is testing a feature where you can click on a chip on the homepage and type a prompt. Instead of the algorithm guessing what you want based on your watch history, you can tell it what you want, like show me coding tutorials for Python or show me 90s RTS reviews. It allows you to curate a temporary feed based on your current intent. For creators, this means metadata is king again. If viewers are typing specific prompts like your titles, descriptions and tags need to be spot on to get picked up. This might be a good time to review your core keywords. I know there's a lot of tech in this update. I want to know from the streamers, are you seeing the same low retention on vertical streams or is it just me? Let me know in the comments below, let's talk about it. Thanks for stopping by and I'll see you next week with more YouTube creator updates.